Ramp 122.27.
The gate via Bravo, PMR gate, 2227 Delta 2834.
Show aircraft information, kilos now, current altimeter 3011, wind 20011.
Current wind 20011, altimeter 3011.
Line 21 heavy, you can monitor tower 119.9.
Oh,
Oscar 770, Seattle Tower, good morning, runway 16 left, line up and wait.
Hawaiian 21 Heavy is next, or approximately next. He's having trouble reaching Hawaiian 21 Heavy on radio.
730 Seattle Tower, wind 200 at 12, runway 16 right, clear to land.
So 166 heavy, roll the pop-up, please.
For down to 166 heavy.
So 166 heavy, turn left to Quebec if you can and just taxi straight across Bravo. You're going in spot 99 today and contact the ramp on 122.27. You can skip ground.
Okay, left on Quebec now, straight into 99 and going to 166.
Alaska 770, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Hi, Nerox.
38 Seattle Tower, runway 16 left, line up and wait for en route separation.
Line going 16 left, left 38.
You've all heard about Wally's parking. Here it is. This is Seattle Tacoma International Airport, Seattle, Washington, America's Pacific Coast.
Alaska 770, contact departure, good morning.
Departure left, 770, good morning.
That is Alaska 770 on climb out.
Alaska 730, left there at Papa. Cross runway 14, Quebec fine. Cross runway 16 center, hold short, runway 16 left.
8, wind 210 at 9er, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff. Hawaiian 21 heavy, Seattle Tower, good morning, runway 16 left, line up and wait.
There was a wind shear situation going on a couple of hours ago here at SeaTac. Some aircraft are still experiencing gains and losses of 10 to 15 knots on short final approach. Other side of this building is the arrival end of runway 16. Runways 16 in use.
1291 pseudo ground, runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo.
There's a rain squall at that end. Because of the wind shear situation, many aircraft are using more runway than usual on takeoff.
And 21 heavy, wind 200 at 9er, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Hawaiian 21 heavy is next.
The 248 Seattle target morning, runway 16 left, line flight, your discretion, caution, wait, turbulence, traffic will cross.
Hawaiian 21 heavy might be a 767. It might be an Airbus A330. Hawaiian flies either one or both of those aircraft into Seattle from time to time.
Ground compass 5780, spot 99, taxi India.
5780 Seattle ground, runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo, verify you get information, Kilo.
16 left, via Bravo, okay, kilo, compass 5780.
Hello all.
94 Seattle ground, runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo.
You're watching SeaTac International Airport. If I can get the camera stabilized here. This is Hawaiian 21 heavy to Honolulu lifting off. Used a lot of runway.
Alaska 730 Seattle Tower on pop-up, cross runway 16 left, pass behind compass, contact ground point 7 on Bravo, company.
Can anybody ID that aircraft? Is it a 767? Next stop, Honolulu. There he goes. Slow climb for Hawaiian 21. There he goes. This is live and in color. Yes, it is.
Calling at Papa, say the call sign again. 730, roger, taxi.
SeaTac International Airport
Ramp there, 126.87.
on a Monday morning.
0 at 9er, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff. American 44, runway 16 left, line up and wait.
Alaska is next on takeoff. Crosswinds, some wind shear. Departing traffic is using more runway than usual to compensate for the wind fluctuations. In the foreground on the right here is the A concourse. Can I do this? Not very well. In the distance, lower center, is the B concourse. Flight radar works.
248, contact departure, good day.
I like flight aware. That's my own personal preference. Ordinarily, I also would be on flight aware for this, but I can't do flight aware and scope at the same time.
44, wind 210 at 10, gust 16, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Winds 210 at 10, gusts 16. American is next on takeoff.
West 3494 Seattle Tower, runway 16 left, line up and wait for en route separation.
American is an airline that you don't see all that often at SeaTac anymore. In the distance, the lights of landing traffic, probably on runway 16 right.
Alaska 669 at November, cross runway 16 center, hold short, runway 16 left. At November, cross runway 16 center, hold short, 16 left, Alaska 669.
That is Alaska 669, the lights of in the distance. American on takeoff. He used a lot of runway. It's not a heavy jet, but he used most of the runway. Well, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it is a heavy jet. Not sure.
44 contact departure, good day.
4, good day.
Visibility is lower at the north end of the airport, over there.
494, wind 210, off 11, gust 16, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Here's a view to the south. There is
10473 Seattle.
clearing under the cloud deck to the south. This is actually a look to the southwest, or maybe south-southwest. Clearer there. I say, Mark, it's clearer to the south, clearing to the south.
210 at 11, gust 16.
But substantially reduced visibility at the north end of the airport. Steadying.
Alaska 669 Seattle Tower, traffic's going into position via November, cross runway 16 left, contact ground point 7 on Bravo.
On November, cross runway 16 left, ground on the other side, Alaska 669.
Birds 228 heavy, Seattle ground runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo.
Bravo, runway 16 left.
Heavy jet on the taxiway, taxiing for takeoff.
Iowa 3494, contact departure, good day.
494 today. Yeah, we verify information, Kilo, that's now correct.
Stand by, we'll get it.
Mark, what is your flight tracking website of choice? FlightAware? Flight Radar?
669, clearing 16 left in November for Delta 2.
What do you like?
473, wind 200 out 11, gust 16, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Spot 55 via Bravo, ramp on 2687, Alaska 669.
Let's line up and wait for spacing.
What was the general aviation risk? Pretty taxi to do. 119 Echo Papa, Seattle ground, runway 16 left. Taxi via Tango, Charlie. Hold short, runway 16 center. And 9 Echo Papa, copy, taxi to 16 left. Tango, Charlie, hold north 16 center. Resident 570 at November, cross runway 16 center, hold short, runway 16 left. At November, cross 16 center, hold short 16 left.
I have not played with Radar Box.
Horizon 570, monitor tower 119.9. Have a good day. Heavy 3011,
Birds 228 heavy, roger, thank you.
Into the overcast he goes. Ceiling is about 2,000 feet, maybe a little bit less. Visibility degrading further at the north end of the airport, at least from this angle. This is the south
Delta 1291, wind
satellite
200
at
out
SeaTac.
11, gust 16, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff. Compass 5780 Seattle Tower, good morning, runway 16 left, line up and wait.
Delta Jet is next on takeoff. This is the A concourse, pretty empty right now. Opposite is the B concourse. This is the south end of SeaTac Airport. Map of the airport is available at flightaware.com in the IFR plates section.
Good 615 Seattle Tower, wind 200 at 11, gust 16, runway 16 right, clear one.
The 5780 as you hold traffic will cross. Then 570 Seattle Tower at November, cross runway 16 left, contact ground point 7 on Bravo, traffic in position, pass by and navigate.
Cross 16 left at November, traffic site, ground horizon, left end.
Bus 191, contact departure, good day.
1291, good day.
This is my wraparound deck